All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are Wealth Wednesdays. If you want to see my screen, everybody, jump on over to my YouTube channel. Jump on over to my YouTube channel to see my screen. About to do some live trading. See what this market has to offer. Link in bio to see. Good morning, everybody. Jumping over to my YouTube channel to see my screen. What's going on, Dre? What's going on, Ms. Watkins? What's going on, TT? What's going on, everybody? How you living? How you living? How you doing? Hopefully, everybody's having a great morning. I'm running a little bit behind schedule myself, right? Running a little bit behind schedule myself, but it's all good. It's all good, all good, all good. All right. That's what's up, man. I'm glad you enjoy it. If you want to see my screen, jump over to my YouTube channel. Good morning, Calvin. Good morning, Ziggy Zig. the Dita. Yo, man, I'm going back to the 80s, right? I'm taking it back to the 80s. What's going on, C Green? What's going on, Shorty Pooh Music? What's going on, Miss Betty Smith? How you doing? How you doing? About to take a look at this market, right? So yesterday we had an earnings play yesterday, everybody. We had an earnings play yesterday for Microsoft. I went on puts and it went the opposite way. So I think I lost like $500 something on that earnings play yesterday. Like I always tell people, earnings play is basically just when you say, okay, I'm gonna throw a small amount of money into a trade and let's see what happens. Right? Because an earnings play is something they do every quarter. It goes up, it goes down, whichever way it goes. If it goes the direction you want it to go and it stay in that direction, you make money. If it doesn't, you lose money. Good morning, Donne. Good morning, Miss Woods. Going on, Saul. Good morning, Blessing Traveling. Good morning, Misha. How you doing? Let's keep this thing rolling. All right, let me do this. Is this the one I want to do? About to get started. Everybody, take this link, share it out with 5 of your friends that you want to go on vacation with. Share this link out with 5 of your friends that you want to go on vacation with. Okay? 5 of your friends you want to go on vacation with. Okay? 5 of your friends you want to go on vacation. What's going on, Cal B? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, I'm almost done, everybody. Arr, I see. I see. Everybody. All right. Good morning, Bibb Streets. How you doing? 1 second, everybody. I almost got myself together. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna open up this laptop, get this laptop rolling, get my life together. All right. All right. Send this out with 5 of your friends. Send it out to 5 of your friends. And we're 2.3 seconds away from getting started. The bell has already rung. So school is in session. All right. I love it. Let's go. Check this out. Okay. I think we're good now. Everything rolling. All right, everybody, we got another edition of Wealth Wednesday where we trade live every single Wednesday on YouTube for any and everybody who just want to kind of see what this world looks like that you're trading, that you're coming to be in. So we trading live right now, everybody. Okay, so let's go into the screen. Make sure I got everything pulled up. This is gonna be my first time looking at the market all day today, so I haven't looked at the market at all this morning. Been ripping and running all morning. So this is my first time looking at the market. So we looking at it together for the first time. Whoa, something happened? Woo! Geesh, look at this. Matter of fact, let me open up my Zoom as well. For anybody in the Discord chat, I want to come into my Zoom.
Recording in progress.
No record.
Recording stopped.
All right. Okay, so if you're in the Promised Land trading group, we can jump onto the Zoom chat as well if you're in the Promised Land. All right, let's go. What's going on, Sean? Definitely looking forward, Sean Lamont. Definitely looking forward to it. All right, let's rock. Okay, everybody, let me share my screen so you guys can see my screen. Is anybody? Let's see. All right, so here we go. And did anybody play any earning plays? Did anybody play any earning plays? Anybody do anything earning wise? Hey Derek, can you post the link in the Discord chat that we on Zoom in the Promised Land Discord chat if you don't mind, brother? Okay. All right, here we go. All right, everybody see my screen now? We should be good. Locked in. See my screen? All right, perfect. All right, everybody. So here we go. Right here. This is my first time breaking down this market. I'm going to clear my draw instead so you guys can kind of say it again. Okay, gotcha. All right. Yeah, put the link in the Discord. Matter of fact, I got it right here. I'm doing it right now. I'm putting in the Discord chat that we are on Zoom. I think we sent an email to everybody to put with the YouTube. So if you're on YouTube and you're in the Promised Land, just jump on over to the Zoom chat. It's the same link. All right, so here we go, everybody. This is SPY, SPY. The 1 hour time frame right here. The market is starting to fall down. The market is falling down right now. So we have right now at the opening, this first 5-minute candlesticks, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute has been all red candlesticks, and it's kind of falling down pretty fast. So what we understand is this, everybody, just from understanding previous data, I'm going to keep saying this, I personally believe the stock market is going to fall down to at least, I believe SPY, SPY, is going to fall down to at least a 408 to 404 SPY. I think the stock price is going to drop down there. That means right now we're at 420, so therefore I believe that the stock market is going to fall anywhere from 10 to 15 more dollars. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I believe is going to happen. And right now you guys cannot see my screen. You guys see me, don't you? Okay. Yep, y'all see me. All right, there you go. You guys can see my screen now. All right, here we go. Okay, got you. I got you. All right, there you go. You should be able to hear me now. You should be good to hear me now. Yeah, so put it in the Discord chat. Derek, put the that link in the Discord chat. Let them know that we in here. Appreciate it. Yep. Appreciate it. All right, here we go. So check this out, everybody. Boom. We're dropping down, right? Like I said, everybody, I believe the stock market is going to fall anywhere from 10 to 15 more dollars before we start seeing a push back up. If we go down to a 408, 404 SPY, this is going to be life, and this is going to be love and life and all the good stuff, right? Because now we're going to be starting to talk about a wealth transfer that's possibly about to happen, okay? And I keep talking about it, keep screaming about it. I'm going to keep screaming about this wealth transfer that can happen when the stock market starts to pull back. When the stock market pulls back, we understand a pullback is going to revert. We're going to eventually go to what? Upward move, okay? So when you're day trading and you're scalping, listen, take profits, get in, get out, and then also start setting yourself up for long-term swings. 1 year, 1 year to 2 year contracts. 1 year to 2 year contracts. One sec. Man, I forgot to go by the bait. 1 second there. All right. So 1 year to 2 year contracts. Okay, 1 year to 2 year contracts, and we're looking to break that 460, I think 479 SPY. I believe that's what it is. And if you're on my Instagram right now, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel, okay? Jump on over to my YouTube channel. So let's break down this market though and see what this market has to offer and what's going on. See, we got some supply zones. We got a nice supply zone at 423. So we have a supply zone at 423.5 to 425.5. Okay, 423.5. Do some technical analysis, right? 423.5, everybody. 423.5 right here. Okay, so this is a zone for us. And we have our next demand zone. We got a few 4-hour demand zones on SPY. So it's going to be interesting. Got a lot of them actually. Is this 419 to 416 4-hour demand zone. 419, where we're coming down to right now at this very moment. 419 to 416. Basically right around here. Okay. So let's edit that. Get that right. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So right here we have supply zone, 1 hour supply zone. Then down here we have a 4-hour demand zone. 4-hour demand zone, 1 hour supply zone. Okay. Right now we are pushing down hard. Take a look right here. We're pushing down hard right now. We look like we're trying to come right here and 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 here into this demand zone. Okay, right here into this demand zone. So right now, as we can see, that we're trading in between the zone right now, basically a 426 to a 416 zone. That's the top and the bottom of the zone that we're currently trading inside of. Okay. That's the top and bottom of the zone that we're currently trading inside of. 426 down to 416. So that's the top of the supply zone, bottom of the demand zone. Top of a 1 hour supply zone, bottom of a 4-hour demand zone. Very important to understand, okay? That's a $10 range on SPY. $10 range on SPY. Now, for me, for example, right now when I'm looking at these trades, right now, I'm hesitant right now, personally. If you're thinking about trading, I want you guys to understand this. You do not have to trade every single day. You do not have to trade every single day. Personally, right now, for my personal thought, I don't like the way the market is trading right now. Okay? I don't like the way the market is trading right now. Chris, what do you mean you do not like the way the market is trading? Okay? Let's take a look at this. Let's go back some. Okay? This is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, for the past 2 days, if you look at this 1 hour time frame, look right here. What does this look like to you? Look like a straight line. That means the market is basically consolidating on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, go to the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame, look right here, same thing. Over the past 3 days, we have basically been consolidation, 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 and right now we kind of falling down some more. Okay, I personally do not feel the need I don't feel the need to get into a trade or potential swing trades or anything right now, or even maybe like some scalps here and there. But it has to be like a scalp that stands out to me. But trading right now is not something that I'm seeing. Okay, the market is offering some great setups. Okay, and the reason why I don't feel like the market is offering great setups is because of this right here. I tell people all the time, when you're trading in the stock market, one thing you want to understand, you do not have to trade every single day. And the stock market goes in phases. So if you look right here, what happened right here? The market went down 1 day right here, down 2 days right here, down 3 days right there. Boom, we had a 3-day run to the downside. Okay, the stock market went from 430, SPY went from 438 all the way down here to 430, 420, $18 move. Okay, a lot of money was made on this downward push right here. Money was made on this downward push. Now, this is where people start to lose the money, right? They start to lose the money right here. 1 day of consolidation, it shoots up, it shoots back down. It's consolidation. Nothing really happened if you look at it from the whole scheme of things. Could have made some great scalps though. The next day, right here, nothing happened. Okay, right here, right now, we're seeing a push down, but let's see if it pushes right back up. So it's consolidation right now. And since we're consolidating, what does that mean? That means that if people are still trying to trend trade a downward trend or trying to trend trade an upward trend, the only thing you're doing is losing your money. Okay? Only thing you're doing is losing your money. So for me, until we break outside of this consolidation box that we're currently in, you won't see any trades from me. Chris, why is that? Because there's no need to trade in consolidation unless you're scalping. Okay, now if I'm scalping, it's different. So let me rephrase my verbiage, right? So when I say you won't see any trades from me, you won't see any major day trades from me, and you won't see any swing trades from me. Now you may see a 3 to 5 minute, you may see a 1 to 5 minute scalp from me, right? Get in, get out, but you're not going to see anything as far as, okay, I'm swinging this trade overnight, or I'm going to be in this trade for 1 to 2 hours. You're not going to see that from me, okay? Because it's not, my personal opinion, it's not worth going through that because there's so many key levels. Like if you look down here, and even when we break this 415 area, we have 2 more 4-hour demand zones right there starting at 413. So if we break this level right here, right, this 415.96 level, we have another level right here, 413, we are right around 413 down to that 412, 411. 413 down here to right around here to 411. Boom. Now, that's the next stop. Now, if we break that level, what do we have? We have another level right here at 408 to 405, 404 area. Now, I'm not saying you can't trade it. What I'm saying is it's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of buyers down here. Buyers are right here. Buyers are right here. Buyers are right here. We got sellers right here, and we got sellers right here. Right now, we're in a tough spot. We're definitely in a tough spot for swing trades. Let me rephrase that. For swing trades, okay? If I'm you right now, what I'm focusing on is I'm focusing more so on scalps. Chris, I never got the link to open the previous match. I've taken the match before last year. Did you? Okay, send us an email at Trey Scat. Send us an email, admin@iwantknowledge.com. Admin@iwantknowledge.com. Yep, I will, Monica. I will. So boom, that's what we have right there. Monica, what stock do you want me to take a look at? What stock do you want me to take a look at? Okay. So if you think about this 251 trading days in a whole year, the goal is not to trade 251 days. The goal is probably to trade less than 200 days. Honestly, right? because we have to understand when we're in. We have to understand when we're in a place where we're flowing and we're in a place where we're consolidating and it's kind of rough right now. And right now we're more so consolidating. Okay. More so consolidating. I would not be surprised if we bounce off of this level down here and shoot right back up to 424. That's a great scalping opportunity, but it's not a great day trading opportunity because that push up will probably take less than an hour. Probably take less than an hour. Okay. QQQ. Let's take a look at QQQ. All right, let's go through QQQ. All right, QQQ, let me clear my drawing sets that I previously had there. And let's focus on the level. I'm focused on the levels more so than anything right now. So right now on QQQ, we're inside of a 4-hour demand zone. Okay, 356 down to 353. 356 down to 353 is a 4-hour demand zone on QQQ. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, what does this mean? 356. I got you, brother. I got you. 356 down to 353. Okay, this is the demand zone, a 4-hour demand. That's a 4-hour demand zone that we currently have on QQ. Everybody, QQQ is the NASDAQ 100. It's the top 100 technology stocks. Okay, top 100 technology stocks. All right. Now, as far as the supply zone, we do have a 4-hour supply zone around that 368 area, but I'm sure we have a closer 1-hour supply zone. But if we're going right now, if we're inside of this demand zone right now, what does this tell us? What does this tell us? We're inside this 4-hour demand zone. This 4-hour demand zone means there's potentially going to be a bounce off of the bottom of this demand zone and push back up. Potential bounce off of the bottom of the demand zone and push back up. 4-hour demand zone. This is a strong demand zone to break through. If we break through this demand zone like it's not even existed, like it doesn't even exist, that tells something as well. That tells us that we have a strong push down, and we have heavy sellers in the area. Okay. So that is the 4-hour demand zone right now. As far as 1 second. So right here, 1 second. So as you can kind of see, we also have like a small little push up that's trying to happen right here. You kind of see how we went to the bottom of this demand zone. And on the bottom of this demand zone, we kind of pushing up some. All right. Trying to push up some. Okay. And we have a few 1-hour demand zones as well. So 359, this 359 small area off the break of this, off of the break of a push down yesterday. Right around here, we have this 359 area. Small supply zone right there. Then we have the major supply zone in that 363 to 365. 363 right here. Is that 363? Yeah, 363. 363. To right around here. Yep. And that's the supply zone right there on QQQ. Okay. That's the supply zone on QQQ. What you doing? What you getting? Who? Oh. So boom. That's how that looks on QQQ. As far as that's just the zones. It's a lot more technical analysis to do, but that's just the zones. Earnings should push QQQ up this month. Yeah, if the tech stocks continue to have good earnings, like Microsoft had good earnings, right? It was pretty dope. But one thing I want you to think about Six Hustles. Microsoft had good earnings. I think Google's earnings was not the best. Yeah, Google's earnings was not the best. I believe Google fell down. Yep, they already lowered expectations. They probably kill it, especially with Meta and Google. Yeah, so Google fell down, right? Microsoft went up. Okay, QQQ is down $4 right now, so it's kind of like in the middle, right? But the thing to think about is the fact that that Microsoft was decent and Microsoft actually had a pretty good earnings report, but and Google pushed down. That Google push down is kind of concerning for me. I thought Google was definitely gonna push up, but what's it just fab? Bad. It's in the house. Asher self tucking in last night. So just because of that push down, I mean, this is what I'm saying. Because QQQ is pushing down right now, and Microsoft had good earnings, and Google had bad earnings. That's kind of like a mix. It's like a mix, right? But it's interesting to see that the Nasdaq pushed down instead of going up. Now, if the Nasdaq pushing down, that's kind of just giving us more information and more knowledge and more data that's saying, hey, the stock market has a little bit further to go down before we see a push up. Okay, before we see a major push up. Now, if we're looking at this 4-hour time frame, what is a great area I believe that potentially the market can actually start pushing up on QQQ in the Nasdaq 100? I'm thinking we have to go. I think we have to go a little bit further down. We definitely want to see if we can break beneath that 351 area. Okay, 351 area has been a strong level of support. Okay, 351 has been a very strong level of support, and let me show you why. Take a look right here on 351 SPY. All right, it's 10 o'clock, everybody. We might see something crazy happen. All right, 1 hour time frame. All right, 351. So if we look right here, this 351 level, the strong level for QQQ. You see right here, this was back October 4th. October 4th, we came down to this 351 area. When we came to 351 on October 4th, we went crazy and the stock market shot up. Okay, let me go back even further. Here we go. Right here. This is actually September 27th. We came down to 351. We bounced off of 351 and went up to this 362 level. Okay, then we fell down off of 362, fell back down to what? 351. Okay, fell right back down to 351. If we start moving up, we bounced off of 351 right here. We came up and went crazy. The market went from 351 all the way to 373. Went up $21, 373. Okay, then now we're working our way back down. Well, we came back down to 351 again for the third time. We came back to 351. Okay, we've come to 351 3 times since September the 27th. So in other words, within a month, we have been beating on 351 QQQ. So if we keep beating on this 351 QQQ 3 times in the past 30 days, almost 30 days, that means we're trying to knock down that door. Okay? It's like we're trying to knock down that door right now, right? Okay? So if we're continuing to beat on a door, eventually what happens? What could potentially happen eventually? We could bust through that door, right? We could break through that door. And that's where we are right now. So if QQQ, the next level that you're looking for, we do have this 4-hour demand zone right here at 352, but 353, but right under 353, we had at 351. That 351 is everything. Okay? That 351 is everything. If you're playing QQQ, you should be focusing your attention on 351 to see if we're going to break that 351.50 area. If we break this level and retest and start to push back down, that's a potential opportunity to get into maybe a nice little 2-week swing trade. I mean, you might want to buy it out for like 3 or 4 months, but you maybe only want to be in it for maybe like 2 to 3 days. Okay. Now, what else do we know that can happen at 351? At 351, we can see a bounce off of 351 and go crazy back up to 360. Why? Because it's been doing it time after time again. Okay? Something to think about. That's QQQ. Anybody else have any other stocks you want to see? There you go. Don't go chasing those waterfalls for real. No, I don't do Amazon earnings anymore. Amazon, I used to do Amazon earnings all the time when it was volatile. Amazon is not that volatile anymore. So I don't do Amazon earnings anymore. I would more so look at Meta earnings instead of Amazon earnings. Just my personal opinion. Josh say we need a song on not being impulsive. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, there you go. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Like Six Hustle said, TLC. Don't go chasing waterfalls. All right. Let's take a look at Tesla. Somebody on Instagram said Tesla. Gtavo02. Let's go to Tesla. Let's break down Tesla. Tesla literally just fell off a freaking cliff, man. Tesla right here fell off a cliff off of earnings. Fell off a cliff, and now we're at that 216 area. Yeah, we at 216. So just in general, just all because we just know Tesla, right? 200 level on Tesla. Listen, we're looking at 200 level strong on Tesla. Will Tesla break this 200 level? When we're thinking about Tesla right now, will Tesla break this 200 level is a great question. Personally, I love Tesla for the future. Love it. And right now, Tesla's giving us a huge, well, some people say it's not a huge discount, Chris, because it's overvalued. It's overvalued. People have been saying Tesla's been overvalued since COVID. Elon Musk has been saying Tesla's overvalued since COVID. But COVID continues to do what? Tesla continues to do what Tesla does, and it's go up. Nope, that's correct. Depends on what you're talking about, King. Which course you're talking about, King? You have unlimited access to it. The masterminds, you have unlimited access to it. All you do is go log in. So COVID does what COVID does. Not COVID. I can say COVID. Tesla does what Tesla does. And if people keep saying it's overvalued. Listen, if it's overvalued, it probably is overvalued, right? If you look at the numbers, it really is kind of overvalued, right? But at the same time, Tesla's just ahead of its class. And right now, Tesla's at the low 200s, so where it's at 218 now, and it will potentially go back down to 200. If SPY falls down to 400, Tesla will fall back down to 200. Yeah, Ken, you have unlimited access to it. You might have to reset your password, or you may have the wrong link. Okay, send us an email at admin@iwantknowledge.com. Admin@iwantknowledge.com. Send us an email. We can take a look at it for you. Okay. So I personally love Tesla. The number you're looking for is that 200 number. If we break beneath that 200 number, in my personal opinion, that's a perfect opportunity to go leap crazy, right? 1 or 2 year contract on Tesla. Now, granted, when it breaks that 200, it could definitely go down. I think we've seen Tesla like a nice 180s. A long time ago, it was like a 160, but maybe see a 180, 185, something like that. It'd be down some couple of dollars, but you got 2 years for it to get right. Okay, 1 to 2 years for it to get right. That's for a swing trade, a leap option, right? All right. Anybody else? Any other stocks you looking at? China been trying to. Yeah, Elon is a freaking genius. He's impulsive, and he'll wreck his stock in a heartbeat. But the guy's very he's very smart. But he'll definitely wreck his stock. China been trying to get rid of Tesla for the longest time. Check this out, everybody. I want you guys to look at this. This is a formation, all right? I want you guys to take a look at this right here. On the 4-hour time frame on QQQ, take a look at this. 4-hour time frame on QQQ is forming something. Okay, look at this right here. Follow the pin. Follow my arrow right here. We go down here. Boom, boom. Not that. We go down here. Bounce right there. We bounce off of this 351. We start pushing up. And we start pushing up. We start making this pattern right here. What pattern is this, everybody? See if anybody knows what pattern this is. Does anybody know on YouTube or in the chat what pattern this is? What pattern is this? Down, bounce up. Boom, what pattern is that? You see what I'm saying, Aaron? They have to. There you go, C Green. There you go, M Collins. It's an H pattern. It's an H pattern. You have 2 things that's going to happen off of an H pattern. 2 things will happen off of an H pattern. What are those 2 things, everybody, that's going to happen off of an H pattern? First and foremost, it's going to break through and boom, break through that 351. Second thing is this, a bounce off of this 351 and go back up. A H pattern forms a double bottom. That's what an H pattern is a double bottom for the most part. Okay? So focusing, if you're trading QQQ, I will not be entering in any trades on QQQ until we see what happens at that 351 price level. That's the price level you want to focus on, that 351. Okay? Gregory, what's going on, my brother? So and that's why I like Tesla so much. But I would love to see Tesla go to 199. Yep, it can. So yep, when you hit the double bottom, it means it's about to jump up, right? That's a double bottom. It's going to bounce up. If it breaks through, if it actually breaks through that level, okay, got you, JoJo. Yep, Jada get you right. She'll get you right. Yep, but if it bounces through, if it falls through that 351 level, that means the double bottom broke through and it's an actual H pattern. Okay, a beautiful H pattern that flows all the way through. That's a strong possibility that we have some more downside to go. Okay, we have some more downside to go. All right, we'll take a look at SPY, see what SPY got going on right now. 5, okay. Now look where we at, everybody. Nice push down. We come right here to a demand zone. Me personally, you do not buy puts in a demand zone. Okay, you buy calls in a demand zone. This is why and I trade SPY, but I trade SPY all the time, right? This is what SPX actually. But this is why I say right now it's just not a good opportunity, not a good time for me to enter into a trade because I'm at a demand zone right now, but I'm not feeling froggy to jump. You see what I'm saying? Because this demand zone is a 4-hour demand zone that's $3 wide. $3 wide. Meaning, if I get in right now on a trade, it could potentially fall down here to this 417 area, right? Based the way I trade, I'm not getting into puts, so I'll be getting into calls. But I'll be getting onto calls on a scalp, right? So I would not want to enter the first time it comes to this 419 area. It's not the first time. Let's go back right quick. Similar to all right, let's zoom out right quick so we can see now. How many times have we come to this level that we're currently at in this demand zone? This is the 5 now. Let me go to the 4 hour. Let's take a look at it. Look at the 4 hour time frame, everybody. We came down here, we bounced, came down here again, bounced up, went crazy, came up here, went crazy up here, formed a double top, okay? We formed a double top, and boom, fell down, in here twice, boom, fell down in here twice, bounced up, and now we're right back in here again. We're right back in here again. Okay? So with my strategy, the way that I'm trading, the way that I trade, we're bounced off of this demand zone right here. Price action is pushing this demand zone down, right? Price action is pushing this stock down. So what it tells me is, Chris, just be patient. Wait for a better play. Wait for a better entry. Because if I enter in right now, I enter in right here, boom, I get in, and if it comes down here, I'm losing money. If I wait right here to this 417 and enter, then it comes down here, I'm losing money. I want to see us go down and try and test this level, this 416 level right here. Patience, everybody. I want to see 416 price action. That's going to be an entry for me off of a bounce off of SPY or a break through that, retest, reject, get into puts, take it down, take that $3 rod, take this $3 ride down from 416 down to 413. That's my play. I don't care if all this goes all the way down here and this money being made. It's okay. Being patient. My play is 416, a bounce off of 416 if I see price action pushing up, or a breakthrough, come back, retest, boom, I enter on my retest, take it down to 414, 413, boom, get out. That's my $3 move right there. That may not happen today. It may happen tomorrow. If it happens tomorrow, guess what? I get into it tomorrow. Okay? What you got going on? Okay? I get into it tomorrow if it happens. All right? Whichever way it happens. Okay? All right, everybody. Be patient trading. Just know, have these zones traded. This is a demand zone. Demand zone underneath as well. Price action is pushing the stock down, everybody. Selling pressure is heavy right now. Selling pressure is definitely heavy right now. Okay? Selling pressure is definitely heavy right now. Just keep in mind. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Red 1 hour candlesticks. Volume. Okay? Be patient. Be patient. Find your place. I'm more so, like I'm telling everybody, I'm more so looking for scalps right now. Not looking for any swing trades at the moment. Okay? I'm looking for any swing trades at the moment. All right. All right, everybody. So, yep, the market's not going anywhere, man. Just be patient. You don't have to trade every day. Yep, we going to Big Mama's house. Exactly. Okay? So, everybody, this is another edition of Live Trading Wednesdays. I was not getting into a trade because the market's not offering me any trades right now. Okay? The market didn't offer any trades right now. But listen, everybody, listen, you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This Sunday, we're having a free webinar. Okay, this Sunday we have a free webinar. Every morning we're right here. Okay, every morning right here. What's up with NVIDIA? I believe NVIDIA is going to follow the market. If the market falls down, NVIDIA is going to fall down as well. Okay, so if the market falls down, NVIDIA is going to fall down right along with the market as well. If SPY is falling down like $10 to $15, you're going to see NVIDIA probably fall down almost $30-something. Okay, over the course of time, I love NVIDIA. Okay, over the course of time, I love NVIDIA. Oh, MBs, yes. For Wednesday, there was not a text sent out. There was just emails. There were emails sent out. Okay. But everybody, listen, you guys have a good one. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Also, if you want to book a call with me, you can go to my Instagram and type in number 15 to book a call with me as well. Okay. But everybody, listen, you guys have a good one. All praise to Most High. Like I tell everybody, listen, we're looking for 15 people. We're helping 15 people learn how to trade stock options, make $2,000 to $10,000 in 2024. Okay. 15 people. So if you want to be one of those people, just go to my Instagram right now. Type in the number 15, and then you can book a call with me and my team, and we'll go from there, okay? How do we join your Discord? Let's talk about that for a second. Okay. Let's talk about it. So, normally I do not, a lot of people have been asking me about, Chris, Discord. So, I have Discord, but it's for people that's been trading with me for a long time, right? Already. I have more so of a program approach. I don't necessarily do like the Discord that much, but there's been an overwhelming number of people. Like I get probably like 15 to 20 emails a day. Chris, do you have a Discord? Do you have a Discord? Do you have Discord? I just tell them no Discord. But what we may do is, and if you're not on my email list, look out for my email list. Anybody that has taken my mastermind, the Discord is not going to be open for anybody outside of the mastermind. If you've taken any one of my masterminds or my challenges or anything of that nature, you will be able to join one of my Discords. Okay, but if you have not taken a mastermind, if you have not taken anything I have done, you will not be able to do it. But I'm definitely leaning towards that because people ask me about that all day, every day. Okay, so we may do that, and I'll let you guys know. If you're on my email list and get emails from me, if I decide to do it, if I decide to pull the trigger, I will definitely send an email out to you all so you guys can join into that Discord where we will make sure that you guys continue your learning curve. Aaron, snow is actually a great for doing some scalping, right? But this is the thing about it. But I'm gonna tell you this: be careful when you're scalping on snow. Do not sell, market. Listen to me. When you're scalping on snow, do not sell market order. Sell with the limit order when you're scalping. So therefore, just make sure you go ahead. If you're scalping it, Aaron, make sure you have your active trader up on the right side so you can go ahead and hit that. Just hit that limit sell button. Because if you scalping snow and you market sell, it's going to take the majority of your profits probably. Unless it's going in the direction you want it to go. If it's going in the direction you want it to go, it's going to probably, you might get a couple dollars. But if it say, okay, boom, it's starting to pull back, and then you want to take your profits now, it's probably going to lose a couple dollars, okay? All right, everybody, listen, all praise to the Most High. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for our morning call. Good morning stock option call, everybody. You guys have a good one. All praise to the Most High. Listen, be patient with this market. I personally do not take, yeah, I understand. I understand, Morris. I understand. I understand. Can y'all help me? I'm down to my last 200 and want to learn. Just tune in. Honest answer. Honest answer. If you're down to your last 200, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is what I'm gonna tell you. This is not in any way am I trying to be disrespectful or anything. If you're down to the last 200, I would personally tell you to keep that 200, but you have to go find employment. All right, go find employment first. Okay, go find employment. Go find employment so you can have funds coming in, and then when you do that, then you can start investing in yourself. Okay, but right now you have to find employment to start bringing in consistent income. Okay, and then from there, that's when you can start investing in yourself. Okay, that's what I would tell you to do. All right, I would tell you stock options can definitely help you, but it's not going to help you if you're down to your last 200. Okay, stock options will not help you if you're down to your last 200 and you have no other cash flow coming in. It's not going to help you because it's a process to learn, and you're not going to be able to live off of $200. Okay, so everybody, all praise to the Most High. You have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for our daily show. This is another edition of Wealth Wednesday live stock option trading. All praise to the Most High.